Nature walks.
Let me see.
Want the little words of this lift? No. Can't go that way. I wonder where he's trying to go. Woo! Holy heck! He almost got ran over by that. Yo, whoa.
Let me see.
Ew, he feels so cute. He feels so cute. I can't believe he's crawling on me. Look, Bobby. I'm
I
letting him
see.
crawl on me. Oh, sorry. He's away in Nicky. He can leave now. I guess I'm going to see him after school. Can you put him like in a little jar?
Can I put him in like a little jar? You want to put him in your book bag so you can take ice cream?
He is cute. He's crawling on me.
He is so cute.
Oh,
Come on, it's on your bus.
bus.
Take it with you. Shit.